Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I've got a new Magpie swatch and demo and review video for you. So they've recently launched these two new sort of holographic flakes. So we've got Lexi and Venus. So the other sort of holographic flakes that Magpie do is Starla, which is obviously just a kind of silver holographic. So this has a lot more tones to it than what Starla has. So I'm just going to do a demo for you for each of these. So I might just do them on black so that you can kind of see the different tones, because obviously there is a different tone between Lexi and Venus. Although it's quite difficult to see with them like this. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I've done my Black Betty gel and cured it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to get my Don't Be Tacky No Wipe top coat and do a nice even layer of that over the top. And I'm going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. So, and I'm going to get the Magpie chrome tool with one of the heads on it, and I'm going to start out with Lexi. So that's what it sort of looks like in the pot. So then once that Don't Be Tacky has been fully cured, I'm going to get Lexi and I'm going to pop my chrome tool into the pot. So you can kind of see they're sort of like a mixture of iridescent and holographic, I think. So, and then I'm just going to rub that all over the nail. Like that, and then I'm gonna brush off the excess, and I'm gonna get my Shine Bright top coat and I'm gonna top coat this twice, curing in between each layer. But look how beautiful that looks. So this is just my second layer of Shine Bright over the chromed version. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So then once that has been fully cured, I'm going to get my lint-free wipe and Magpie cleanser and wipe off that tacky layer. So that's the chromed version. So, and whilst I've still got Lexi, I've got another Black Betty pop here that's been fully cured for 60 seconds. So I'm actually now going to apply Lexi onto the tacky layer to show you the difference. So to dab it on, I've got the Magpie detailer brush, which looks like that. So again, I'm going to dip into Lexi, so got a nice amount, and I'm literally just going to dab this all over. So this is much more of sort of like a flake look. So it will be a bit more sort of bitty, and I'm just kind of rubbing it in slightly just to make sure that all those flakes are really kind of nice and patted down. And again, I'm going to get my duster brush to just brush off any excess and get my Shine Bright top coat, and I'm going to double top coat this, curing in between each layer. And then I'm going to do my second layer of Shine Bright over the tacky layer version and cure my lamp for 60 seconds. And then once that's been fully cured, I'm going to get my Magpie cleanser and lint-free wipe and wipe off that tacky layer. So this was dabbed into the tacky layer and it looks phenomenal. So that is Lexi. I'll move on to Venus now. So again, I've got another pop with Black Betty that's been cured for 60 seconds. I'm going to get my Don't Be Tacky No White top coat and do a nice even layer over the top and cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to get Venus. So this is what it looks like in the jar. Okay, once that's been fully cured, I'm going to get my Magpie chrome tool again, and I'm then going to dip into the jar again, getting a nice amount. And again, I'm then going to rub that all over the nail. And I'm going to get my Magpie duster brush and brush off the excess, and getting my Shine Bright top coat, and I'm going to again do my 2 layers of this curing in between for 60 seconds. So then this is my second layer of top coat, and I'm going to cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, and once that's been fully cured, I'm going to get my lint-free wipe and my gel cleanser and just wipe off that tacky layer. So that is Venus on a no white top coat. Okay, and then I've got another Black Betty pop here that's been fully cured, and I'm going to get my Magpie detailer brush again and Venus and dip into the pot, getting a nice amount, and then just dabbing that onto the tacky layer. So this is much more of kind of an intense flake look. So, and I'm just going to kind of rub it in slightly just with my brush, making sure the flakes are nice and flat. Get my duster brush and just brush off any excess. And again, I'm just going to use my Shine Bright top coat in twice, curing in between each layer. And again, this is just my second layer of top coat that I'm putting over the top, and then I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And once that's been fully cured, I'm going to get my lint-free wipe and my gel cleanser, just wipe over the top to wipe off that tacky layer. So, and there is Venus on a tacky layer. Okay, so there are the swatches. So on this side here we've got Lexi, and then on this side we've got Venus. So as you can see, Lexi is more of a blue purple toned, and then Venus is more of like a pink purple toned. Looks great on both. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but on the no white top coat version you can really see the flakes. It looks beautiful. So this is definitely a mixture of sort of a two-faced flake with a hollow flake, I would say. The way that they've sort of come out, especially over the black, looks very much like sort of the Too Faced collections from Magpie. So they're absolutely gorgeous. So these are available on the website now. I'll leave the link down below for you for where you can get them from. As always, thank you to Magpie for sending me these to review and swatch for you guys. I hope that you like the demos as well of how to sort of do both methods. Of course, these can go over any colours as well. You don't have to do it on black, but I wanted to sort of showcase them on black because it makes the most kind of difference, I think. So I hope that you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.